Okay, so today we're going to go over refurbishing your Yamaha chapstick. You're going to need a donor chapstick. And to maximize good karma and success, you want to be wearing your favorite Yamaha shirt. Make sure you don't have any holes in your sweatpants. Wear your favorite Yamaha baseball cap and surround yourself with other baseball caps, and it'll ensure success. So the first thing you want to do is pull this off and use a Q-tip and I'm going to try and depress this back down. So you have to turn it counterclockwise. So that's all the way down. Okay. Take your donor chapstick, get whatever nasty stuff is putting their lips on. Okay. Okay, look at that. And then look at that. Let me get a close-up of that. Good as new. All right. So then just, put the original cap back on. Clean up all the excess wax. And let's shine up the sticker as well. Oops. And there you go. Pretty easy. So, I can get 1,000 of these anytime I want. But I know some of you peasants, you got this at a demo and this is the only one you're ever going to have. So, cherish it. Thanks for watching.